Good morning, everybody, from Tupelo, Mississippi. We're here at the famous Connie's Chicken. So Connie's is known worldwide, literally, for some of the best donuts you'll ever have. They have some blueberry donuts we've heard some amazing things about, read some amazing things about, and they look fantastic. It's a cold, windy morning, by the way. And they also are known for their fried chicken. So it's like a little old restaurant there. Not a whole lot going on here, but look at the cool sign. Got that little chicken up there. Yeah, it's a little chicken on the sign. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna head inside. Hope they still have the blueberry donuts. They run out sometimes, but it's not a busy day today, so I hope they have them. I'm gonna try this amazing fried chicken. We'll let you know what we think. But let's head inside to Connie's. Just coming into Connie's. They are closed on Sundays and 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Right as you come in, you got restrooms right here in the front. Now look at this dining room here. Like chandeliers up here look awesome. All these wood tables. It's just like an old but good restaurant. And we're gonna head on up front to see all the fried chicken and get some food up here. But oh no, just like this whole vibe in here. Look at this picture right here. Love the cool artwork on the wall right there. Right up front, they got some Connie's Chicken merch since 1978. Shirts and hats. They got the great shirt right there. And the hats are 30 and the shirts are 25. Here's a look at the menu up front. They got breakfast over here, served with gravy right there. They have all your cups, lids, and everything you need up here. There's some charcoal tenders up there. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good, thank you, ma'am. The sandwiches by the piece up here and chicken. That's a really cool and good sounding menu. They got the chicken back there and rolls and everything. And then here's the famous donuts right here. So I'm looking forward to trying those the first time. But it just reminds me back of this winter's days of all the chicken and everything, and there's great staff here too as well. Our number has been called, and wow, is all I can say. Look at these super fresh rolls right there. These are the chicken tenders that Steph got. Look at the steam coming off. Green beans, mashed potatoes, and white gravy. I did the two-piece white right there. Those fresh hot rolls again. Look at them green beans, y'all. Stuff looks good. And right there, fries or potato wedges right there is what I got. But well, look at that.
Okay, Jeremy, tell me about your food.
Oh, it's fantastic. Yeah, I started off with the roll right there. They give you 2 rolls with it. Good and buttery. Fried chicken's fantastic. Something back in the days, Miss Winter's chicken is my favorite chicken of all time. But this chicken here is up there. And everything is served so steaming hot here. It's like the mashed potatoes, the tartar stuff's are really good. Good gravy. The green beans are good. Or Steffi's tenders are good. The wedges are good. I mean, everything's good. I like Zach's sauce. And then we started eating Raising Cane's. I like Raising Cane's better. I think Connie's sauce beats it all. A little more peppery than like Cane's. A little bit more mayonnaise, I believe, base in there, but it's probably the best of the best. They have this little seasoning here. It's good on the little fries. It's pretty good. It's just a good hometown fried chicken place with some great customer service. That's how you can put it. I'd be happy to eat this every day. I wouldn't last very long. I'd be happy to eat it every day. So yeah, and then we got a little surprise here in a minute that we'll show you. Can't tell you what it is yet. You'll see it soon. Alrighty, so here's what we promised you. And these are not all for this city. We're going to bring some home to the family. But this is the blueberry donuts. They only have one flavor, blueberry. And they're world famous pretty much all over America. We've read tons of food blogs, travel vlogs. And people always read about these donuts. There's actually a donut trail that goes through like Mississippi and Alabama, I believe it is. We thought about doing it one time, but you go have like 12 different donuts through the trail. And these are on there, but people always used to read about how good these are, and I'll take one out now. It's like a pillow.
It's like a pillow.
Oh my gosh, it's like a pillow. I don't even eat on camera anymore, but I have to do it real quick for the video. Those are not good. Those are not good. I'm not kidding y'all. Like, we have donut country in Nashville we're from. That's the best donuts we believe. This is literally the best blueberry donut I've ever had in my entire life. It's made of a sweet pillow that you want to lay on, and you can just nibble on while you're eating and sleeping at the same time. It's like, that's how soft it is, like a soft pillow full of blueberries and everything. Like, I'm speechless from the donuts. That was delicious, and that was Connie's. I'll just start off with the service. Great service. Everybody we talk to is polite. They come over and check on you as well, make sure everything's good. This is great service. Back in the days, growing up in Miss Winters, you'd always come in to the cash register, Not only had the jar of jalapenos there, which I remember, they didn't have that jar of jalapenos here. Does anybody remember that? Miss Winters always had the jar of jalapenos by the cash register and like the jalapeno juice. It was interesting. But they always had that. Well, I just was thinking about.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I was just thinking about what I'm about to mention about the chicken. So when I growing up, I used to go to Miss Winters. They had that little metal rack on the back wall full of chicken. All the beautiful goodness of chicken would just be sitting there. I'm just like, this is so cool. I want a big rack of chicken. And they have the rack here. I haven't seen that in years. Nowadays, it's all like, behind the scenes and things like that. So this had like some Miss Winters vibes for me, which was like my favorite chicken place. So yeah, customer service is good. Restrooms are super clean in there, by the way, that's hard to find in any kind of restaurant or fast food restaurant a lot of times. And then onto the food. I had Steph's tenders, fantastic. I had had my fried chicken. I had the 2-piece white. It was fantastic. I've had some better fried chicken, just being 100% transparent, but it's some darn good fried chicken. Like, you will not be upset here. I would eat this all the time if I had it back in Nashville. Green beans good, mashed potatoes and gravy good, potato wedges good. There's nothing bad. The Connies sauce, y'all need to try that. If you like Raising Cane's sauce or Zaxby's Zax sauce, this is what it should be right here. It's so good. Raising Cane's is our favorite. This was an elevated version of that. So good. The fried chicken here, so good. Everything here, so good. But you're not gonna talk about the service and the chicken all day. Like I said, this is great. But let's get to the meat and potatoes here, or let's get to the blueberries and donuts here.
Are you crying?
No, I got some.
You're so moved by the chicken.
I'm crying. But these donuts, Steph.
Yes.
What do you think about your food, real quick?
The food was good. I mean, it was chicken. It was good. It wasn't the best chicken I've had. It wasn't terrible. It was good. The donut, though, think of like a funnel cake, a blueberry funnel cake. Really soft on the inside and then crispy on the outside. It's perfect.
Yeah, so that was
perfect.
Same way for me. Like, Donut Country in Nashville is where we normally get our donuts from. It's some of the best donuts you can find anywhere. We've got a lot of different places that have donuts, but this takes the cake. Literally takes the cake for cake donut. I mean, any type of donut ever will never compare to this donut here at Connie's. I'm just telling you honestly now. It's so soft. You'll think.
How do you get it so soft? I don't know how they got them so soft. Like,
yeah.
It's so soft.
It's so soft you would think it would just crumble or fall apart, but it doesn't. And you still got very little bit of crispy edge on it, and then super soft on the inside. It's almost like if I try to get that soft, it would be completely cooked. This is like the perfect softness. The perfect amount of blueberries, the perfect glaze on there, the perfect little bit of crispiness, perfect size. I mean,
yeah, they're kind of smaller than normal.
Yeah, a little smaller. A dozen was $15. I mean, we're bringing that home to our family. I don't know if we'll be able to get them all home now without eating them all, but now we are going to bring some home to the family so our families can try them. But I mean, I would challenge you. Can you find a better donut anywhere than Connie's? I don't think you can. Truly, honestly.
Are you going to try now? Are you going to try donuts everywhere? He's going to try every donut everywhere we go.
I'm on a mission to try every donut. But yeah, if you're in Tupelo, we're down here today to see Elvis's birthplace. We'll have a full video on that come up soon. Or it may already be out. Oh, our little friend. Hey. She was super nice. Talked to us a couple times. That's something else too. You're in a small town, and I love that hometown feel. I love the feel in there too. You feel like an old restaurant. Very clean, very nice. But everybody knew everybody. Like, we're the only people that nobody knew, and now we became kind of locals because everybody talked to us. So it just has that good feel. Like, everyone walks in and it's just like, oh yeah, it's good to see you. Yeah, hey, yeah. So, yeah, but all in all, if you're out here for any reason at all in Tupelo, probably Elvis would be the most reason most people come out here for. I'd say 100% go to Connie's. You will not be disappointed. The donuts are $15 a dozen. So with our meal is about $42, $43. So you take that out, you'd be under $30 for two people, drinks and everything. But you got to get the donuts, and you can buy them singly. So 6 singly, half dozen, dozen. And they do run out, they say. So we were actually kind of concerned, like, we're getting here close to 11 o'clock in the morning, would they still have them? And they had a whole tray out there. It may not be the same when you come, but I would say dinner time may be kind of risky. So if you want a donut, definitely come for lunch or come for breakfast. With that being said, though, definitely give Connie's a try. And the nerds are full of donuts that are the best in the entire world.
The nerds are out.
And full of donuts in the entire world.